How to unmute feed by default on Twitch application. Are you guys facing issues to unmute feed on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To unmute feed on Twitch application, first of all, open Twitch app on your mobile device. Once you open the Twitch application, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon. Now click on settings. After you click on settings, you can see options for preferences over here. Just simply tap on preferences. Once you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply head over to mute feed by default. You are looking to turn it off, right? Just simply toggle it. Once you toggle it, videos will be unmuted by default. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna unmute audio on Twitch. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.